Marty, can we talk to you for a minute?
Whatever it is, I didn't do it.
Billy's missing. Where is he?
I give up. Where is he?
Let's cut the sarcasm, Marty. He's in trouble.
Again? What's wrong?
He had a big blowout with his parents, and now he disappeared.
Oh, and you think that I've got all the magic words to bring him back, like Shazam, and he'll materialize? Sorry. I'd really like to help, but unfortunately, I'm a terrible person.
Come on, Joey. We're not going to get anywhere here.
For you to know that about my son and not to tell me.
It's just not for me to tell you that. It's for Billy to determine how, when, where he wants his private life known.
But I am his mother. And I am so worried about my son.
Listen to me, Mrs. Douglas. I have kids out there looking for him. We have the police working on it. You mustn't think the worst.
But this is the worst. My child is suffering. He may be in danger, and I don't know where he is. We drove him away, didn't we? His own father. The way he looks at Billy. The things he said to Billy about you. But I'm no better. I didn't stand up for my own son when I should have. Reverend Carpenter, I don't know what to do. I don't know where to turn.
Mrs. Douglas, I think you do know where to turn. That is why you are here. You are ready to start dealing with this now.
How? How do I start?
I think maybe by not being so afraid.
But I am afraid. I'm afraid of what's happening to my marriage. I'm afraid of what's happening to this town. Most of all, I'm afraid for my son. For the pain he's going to endure.
Well, you can't control how other people are going to react, but I do know this. That the greatest pain that any human being can endure is to be rejected by his own family.
It's all falling apart. My husband will never accept Billy the way he is.
It's not going to be easy. You know, I've been there. My brother was gay. My father, he never accepted it. Even after my brother died, it was still more important for my father to hang on to the illusion of William's normalcy than to accept him for what he was. Please do not let that happen to Billy. Don't let that happen to you and your husband. And never, never forget how precious your son is to you.
Hey there, stranger. Thought I might find you here. Drinking alone, huh? That's a danger sign. Come on. Give Marty the bottle.
Now here's a switch. What's next, Marty? You gonna pull out a Bible?
I think I'm gonna ignore that.
Seriously, what's going on here? What's your angle?
No angle. I heard you were hiding out, and I put two and two together.
So you can add. Big deal.
So I figured that if you were going to be hiding out here, drinking yourself into a coma, which I can see you're doing, that somehow I'd wind up taking the rap, which I can live without, thank you very much.
Fine, I'll leave a note letting you off the hook. Okay. How'd you find me here?
Oh, I don't know. Must be all those Nancy Drew books I read when I was a kid.
Seriously, Marty. How'd you find me here?
You told me.
What?
Don't you remember that time you talked to me about this place? I figured it out.
So what do you get now? Some kind of reward?
Yeah, big reward. I get you mouthing off at me.
No, I wish I could live here by myself for the rest of my life. And every night I could be a different person.
I think you're having what one of my shrinks would call an identity crisis.
Oh, is that your professional diagnosis, Marty?
I think you told somebody the truth about yourself and you didn't exactly get a standing ovation.
The truth.
Yeah, Billy, the truth. And what of it? It's your life, isn't it? You don't have to apologize to anybody. You don't have to be anything other than what you are. The bottle, please.